T. H. Yes. Teeth.
Teeth.
Yes.
Eyes.
And then eyes. Eye here. You already see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Easy to find. I love this one.
Yeah. I start from letter E,
For
finish
me,
with letter S.
at my school
Because two eyes.
yeah, because at my school is harder than this one.
Okay. So
But I found
for you.
everything already.
Okay.
No one happy.
Spelling eyes.
Oh.
Now we spelling eyes first.
Okay. E-Y-E-S. Mouth.
And then mouth. Mouth. Start from letter M.
Feet.
Where is letter M?
I see feet. M.
M-O.
M.
Where M-O?
Oh.
Yes, correct. Mouth. M-O. Yes, start from letter M, finish with letter A.
My God.
Mouth.
I found everything. If you found this all, you're gonna win.
So, mouth spelling mouth. M-O-U-T-A. Yes, mouth. And then feet. Oh, you already see feet.
Yeah, I even don't want to tell you, so you don't know.
Yeah, feet start from letter F, finish with letter T. So spelling feet. F-E-E-T.
Now, head.
Start from letter A.
Easy.
You already see again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm good. My eye is so good at easy ones.
Okay. Yeah, head start from letter A, finish with letter D also. So feet already.
When I sleep here, I will good at both things.
Yes. So spelling head.
Why there's no ink also?
No problem. Head.
H-E-A-D. Elbow.
And then next.
Elbow. It's so hard.
Elbow. Start from letter E. You find letter E first.
Let me see this. At down. Please.
E.
Oh, no.
E-L. Yeah, please find E-L. The feeling I see. You not yet see? You can move, or our viewer can find with you.
I think.
To viewer help you to find.
That's it.
I already see elbow here. Start from letter E.
I always focus.
Letter W.
I didn't focus on that thing.
Yeah.
This
so,
one.
elbow, I take for you again.
Okay.
And then spelling elbow.
Why there's almost no ink?
Yeah, spelling elbow. E-L-B-O-W. And then next, nose.
N-O-S-E.
N-O-S-E. Yeah, N-O-S-E.
N-O-S.
Oh, you already see?
Yeah.
Easy. Now start from letter N, finish with letter
circle like this.
E.
I don't know how to circle, so that's why I read that.
So we are take for you, and then spelling nose again. Nose. N-O-S-E.
Toe.
And then toes. Oh, you already see toes. Toes. With E-S.
But.
No problem.
But it's E.
Yeah. It's toes. So spelling toes. T. O E S. And then next, finger.
Easy.
Yeah, you can say easy, but you already see or not yet? Yes. Finger start from letter F. Finish with letter S. Because too much finger.
One is a
On
lot.
our hand.
Yeah. One is a lot. We have to put
S.
S.
Yes. So
It's
finger.
a noun and verb.
Yeah. So finger spelling finger. Fingers.
And the last one.
Yeah.
Hair.
The last for finding is hair.
You're gonna find only 3 times, I think.
Hair. Letter H. Where is hair? Why you are hidden? Cannot. I cannot see you. H. Where is H?
No.
I see.
No.
You not yet. You still want to find? Okay, please.
Okay.
Okay. It's hair.
Right. Here it's a lot. Here is a lot. We have to put a song.
Yes, hair. Here.
Yeah.
Correct, here. And then we are spelling again. Hair.
H-A-I-R. Can I put S?
No need. Yeah. So, the fun game we are already
done.
All that word, it means done. Yeah, correct. Done. And the word of 12 words we already found. And
we have to review.
Yeah, we will review all 12 words from the puzzle game again.
Okay.
Number 1, tongue. Number 2, arm. Number 3, leg. Number 4, hand. Number 5, teeth. Then eyes. Mouth.
This is my eyes.
Yeah. And then
Feet.
And then
Head.
Next.
Elbow. And nose.
Toes. Finger. Hair. Yes. So the 12 words of body part we already
done.
Reading, spelling, and found the word. Correct?
Yeah.
So now our video is become done. And can say thank you so much everyone for watching our video. And don't forget subscribe our channel to learning English together.
Okay.
And fun together to find the word in the puzzle game. Yes. So now thank you for watching. Bye. See you next video. To learn English together. Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.